Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make really simple maple leaf ombre sprinkle cookies. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start with some icing that I've just dyed red. Now, one warning about red: if you use particular brands, then you can taste a little bit of the flavoring of the food gel if you put too much in. So there are different food gels out there that have a no taste written beside them, but if they don't, then you have to be really careful about how much food dye you are adding. Today I'm just using my flooding and piping icing, which means that it pipes perfectly and it also floods so that it all stays flat. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go ahead and check out that video in the right hand corner where I basically explain everything to do with royal icing. I am using a tipless bag today, and the reason that I use tipless bags now instead of using metal tips like I used to is because anytime I have a clog or anything, it's so easy to get rid of that clog by just pinching that tipless bag. Now, when your cookie is still wet, you do want to put on the sprinkles right away, and then notice how I tip it here so that it just ombres out really nicely. Make sure that you direct most of the sprinkles towards the ends of your leaves and then tip it forward, and it's going to ombre really naturally. Whenever you are sugaring your cookies, it really does matter what consistency of icing you're using. If your icing is too loose, then all the sprinkles are going to come down and they're going to weigh that icing right down and make everything fall off. I really like this quick and easy cleanup tip. Try to find bowls that have a little bit of a tip on them so that you can just pour your sprinkles back really easily. And there you have it, some beautiful maple leaf ombre sprinkle cookies, perfect for Thanksgiving or any other fall festivities you might have. And now let's get into the pricing. As you saw, it was actually pretty easy to execute this. It just takes a matter of time to make the icing and the baking part. I loved recommending this type of decorating technique to those customers who maybe were on a bit of a budget but still wanted something a little bit fun and bright and ultra tasty. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!